If you've ever wanted to quickly reuse a stunning design or section you built in Elementor, or move layouts between WordPress sites without having to rebuild from scratch, today's video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to export and import Elementor templates, empowering you to save your custom designs and seamlessly transfer them wherever you need. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, save, and reuse your layouts with confidence. Let's dive right in with the exporting process. You can export just about anything in Elementor. An individual page you've poured creative energy into, a neat section you'd like to reuse, or your whole library of templates, it's super flexible. Starting from the Elementor editor, open the page or post you want to export. Look down at the bottom left corner of your editor. Right next to the blue Update or Publish button, there's a little arrow icon. Click on that. This brings up a few options and you'll want to select Save as Template. Give your template a name, something clear and memorable like Homepage Hero Section or Contact Form Layout. That way you'll thank yourself later when your library fills up. Once you save it, a new window pops up called My Templates. Here, where you see all your saved templates, next to the template you just created, click those three little dots, that's your context menu, then simply hit Export. Elementor will now package up your design and download a JSON file straight to your computer. This file is everything you need. It's like your digital suitcase, holding all the essential design info you need to take this layout anywhere. If you prefer, you can also do all this from your WordPress dashboard itself, which can be handy if you want to batch manage several templates at once. Head over to Templates in the main dashboard menu, then Save Templates. Find the one you want to export, hover over it, and click Export Template. Again, you'll download a JSON file, super portable and lightweight. Now, what about importing templates? Maybe you've downloaded a layout from a marketplace, or you want to copy something you made from a client's site to your own. Here, how you do it. Open up the Elementor editor on the site where you want to bring in your template. In that main content area, look for the little folder icon. It usually says Add Template when you hover over it. Go ahead and click it. A pop-up window will appear with all your available templates. Look to the top right. See that upload icon? It's a circle with an arrow pointing up. Click that and now you can either drag and drop your JSON file right into the box or click Select File to browse for it on your computer. Once the upload finishes, your template will show up instantly under the My Templates tab, ready to use. All that's left, click Insert next to your template, and you'll see it drop onto your page exactly as you built it before. Sections, widgets, even most styles all intact. Remember, this might take a few moments if your template's a big one, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. If you're importing on a fresh site or a client install, double-check that you've got all the plugins or custom widgets you might need. Sometimes a missing element just needs the right add-on. And that's all there is to it. Exporting and importing Elementor templates is essentially like carrying your favorite sections and pages with you, so you never have to start from scratch or lose your best work. If this walkthrough helped you, hit the like button and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm here to help you out. And if you want more Elementor and WordPress guides, don't forget to subscribe. There are tons more tutorials just like this one coming soon. Thanks for watching and happy designing.